Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I want you guys to please check out this short natural hairstyles with youthful appearance for beautiful older women. This hairstyle is a haircut for African American women that really want to rock short natural haircuts. This hairstyle will make you to change your mind where to make short hair appointments for any location, and it's a style for the boss ladies, the business class, and women that don't want to spend much time in front of the mirror. So this is a cute style for any woman to try. You can see how this haircut is just so natural, it's just so beautiful, and it's one of the new hair transformation that is really trending as long as short natural haircut is concerned. So this season, what are you rocking this season? We have some Pixies, some boy skirt, and some Tapered for you to try. You know, these styles are really trending, and it's a style that really flatters every face shape, and it's one of the best short natural haircut for women with round faces that will always create magic. If it's your first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. Just know that here in Wendy Styles, we'll bring the best of styles that are trending for beautiful, matured women. Styles that will take many years off your age, styles that are versatile, and of course low maintenance. Thank you so much for watching. Watch to the end. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.